Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best motorcycle cable lubricants. Whether you're looking to boost performance, improve fuel efficiency, or just keep your engine running smooth, I've got you covered. This list is based on my personal experience and research, factoring in price, quality, durability, and overall value. If you want more details or a deeper review of each product, be sure to visit our website at www.bikerguides.com, and of course, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews and engine tips. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. Generic Motorcycle Cable Luber Tool. Keep your motorcycle in top shape with the generic Motorcycle Cable Luber Tool. Weighing just 0.09 pounds, this compact tool, made from durable aluminum and steel with resilient rubber cable clamps, ensures rust-resistant, long-term use. Its dual-knob, double-open design securely holds cables 0.2-0.4 inch diameter during lubrication, allowing easy monitoring. Simple 4-step installation. Loosen screws, insert cable, tighten, and inject oil makes maintenance a breeze. Perfect for motorcycles, electric vehicles, off-road, and road bikes, this portable tool fits easily in your toolbox. Streamline cable and chain lubrication for smoother rides, making it an essential companion for cyclists and riders seeking reliable, hassle-free performance. Number 2. Motion Pro Motorcycle Cable Lube Tool. Maintain peak performance with the Motion Pro Motorcycle Cable Lube Tool. This compact tool 1.57-inch L x 0.75 W effortlessly lubricates cables for motorcycles, cars, trucks, and dirt bikes, ensuring smooth operation and preventing rust. Its 2-screw vise and special rubber designs securely hold most cable housing sizes, compatible with Motion Pro Cable Lube and other lubricants. Perfect for clutch, throttle, or brake cables, it applies grease evenly without mess. Lightweight and portable, it fits in your toolbox, backpack, or pocket, making it a must-have for any garage. Extend cable life and enhance efficiency with this reliable, easy-to-use tool backed by responsive customer service for any issues. Number 3. Motorcycle Cable Lube Tool. Keep your cables rust-free with this Motorcycle Cable Lube Tool. Designed for motorcycles, cars, trucks, and dirt bikes, this compact tool simplifies lubrication, ensuring smooth clutch, throttle, or brake cable operation. Its 2-screw vise and rubber clamps securely hold cable housings, allowing easy lubricant injection through the straw-compatible hole. Gently press and release the lubricant to coat the entire cable, enhancing performance and preventing rust. Compatible with most cable sizes, it's a must-have for regular maintenance. Verify model and size before ordering to ensure fit. Lightweight and portable, it fits in any toolbox. Backed by responsive customer support, this tool extends cable life and boosts efficiency. Number 4. Motorcycle Cable Lubrication Tool. Ensure smooth rides with this Motorcycle Cable Lubrication Tool. Crafted from high-quality, wear-resistant aluminum and rubber, it's anti-corrosive and withstands various environments. The double-opening design allows easy oil filling and real-time monitoring, securely holding cables 0.4 to 0.6 inch diameter to prevent slippage. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store in your toolbox for on-the-go maintenance. To use, loosen screws, insert the cable into the rubber clamp, tighten, and inject lubricant. Compatible with brake, throttle, and other metal cables for motorcycles, electric bikes, and dirt bikes, this tool prevents rust and ensures smooth operation. Verify size before purchase for a perfect fit and enjoy reliable performance. Number 5. Keywave Motorcycle Cable Lubricator Tool. Keep your cables in top condition with the Keywave Motorcycle Cable Lubricator Tool. Weighing just 50 grams, this aluminum tool features a 2-screw vise and special rubber designed to securely hold cables for motorcycles and bicycles like CRF, CR, KX, KXF, RM, RMZ, YZ, YZF, and WRF. Easily inject lubricant by inserting the straw into the injection hole and pressing after tightening the screws. A few gentle presses ensure the fluid coats the entire cable, promoting smooth clutch action and preventing rust. Compact and efficient, this must-have tool simplifies maintenance, ensuring reliable performance for brake, throttle, or clutch cables. Perfect for regular upkeep, it's a rider's essential.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.